Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna create a nice video like this using the multi-keyframe feature stitching. Between 2 seconds there is a keyframe between those images. In this model when you use these five models of images. Okay, let's first thing first, let's go ahead to template and one of this press model image to video. If that is to view the keyframe with video stitching. Okay, it's uploaded. Okay, the requirement of using this model, we have to download this file. We need to image the video, high noise and low noise, 13 gigabytes by 5. After that, you have to download those LoRa's. Have to upload it from the noise. Need to have step high noise or step LoRa. Okay, how to download that? You have to click right here, and the downloading is begin. Or you can use the EDM to download those files. After downloading those files, it's added to my work flow. Okay, how to do it? Okay, I already downloaded those files. The first one, 1.3.12, image 2, high noise. Okay, let's go right here. This is my computer. We can watch the previous video downloaded in the description. To watch how to download and install ComfyUI portable framework. Okay, after downloading the ComfyUI and installation, you have to go here to ComfyUI, search for variables. Okay, let's go here to the models and let's add those models. How to do add these models? Okay, after downloading this models, you have to go right here to download the first one. Let's see the Fusion model. The high image in this one and the nose in diffusion mode. Where is diffusion model? Okay. What is those files? I don't see. Let's show the EDM. Where I download it. Okay. Let's swap in video. Select both of them. And let's go here to diffusion model. Copy it right here. Loras. Let's move to length. Those two files, low nose and high nose in Loras. Go here. Search for Loras. This is Loras. Select the first one and second one and make it here in Loras. After adding all those files in ComfyUI, refresh the page and let's see. Okay, I think it's fine. Now, we have to make frames for those. Okay, start frame and frame. Start frame and frame for all of those images. Okay, let's make one image right here. Let's make this first frame only and let's see what's the result. We have to make 6 files. But the problem, I don't have those files. Let's add this. And let's see the result. I had multiple. To generate a 5 seconds video using this model that's keyframe is between those images, it takes around 17 minutes.